We have officially entered the third generation of Google smartwatches with the launch of the new Pixel Watch 3. This device showcases ongoing enhancements in the series and introduces several thrilling new specifications and features for consumers. If you're contemplating an upgrade from the previous version, we'll explore the key differences and similarities to consider when comparing the Google Pixel Watch 3 to the Pixel Watch 2. At first glance, it might appear that Google has a limited presence in the smartwatch market with just one line. However, a deeper dive into recent strategies and the integration of Fitbit into Google's portfolio reveals a much broader range of options than shoppers might expect. In reality, the company's offerings are quite impressive. The most notable change in the Pixel Watch 3 compared to its predecessor is its larger case size, which is quite literally bigger. This new generation offers two options, a 41mm and a 45mm model, expanding the choices beyond the single 41mm size of the previous version. Both models feature a significant increase in display size, with bezels reduced by 16%. The 41mm version provides 10% more screen area, while the 45mm version boasts an impressive 40% increase. Additionally, the screens are now twice as bright, reaching a maximum brightness of 2000 nits. Despite these enhancements, the watches maintain the same sleek design as before, complete with domed glass, a discrete side button, and a rotating crown. The aluminum cases still feature integrated band attachments for a polished look and come with fluoroelastomer bands included. The larger 45mm model is offered in matte black with an obsidian band, polished silver with a porcelain band, and matte hazel with a hazel band. Meanwhile, the 41mm version is available in matte black with an obsidian active band and polished silver with a porcelain band, along with a new champagne gold option paired with a hazel band and a polished silver option with a rose quartz band. For those seeking the ultimate Wear OS experience, the Pixel Watch series stands out as the top choice. The Pixel Watch 2 debuted with Wear OS 4, while the Pixel Watch 3 has launched with the latest Wear OS 5. This new version brings significant enhancements in performance and energy efficiency, along with updates to some of Google's most popular features. Pixel Watch 3 users can enjoy seamless device integration, which includes features like Nest Live streams, phone call screening, Google TV remote controls right on their wrist, and the ability to unlock their phone or car. Additionally, it offers camera control for Pixel phones and includes its own recorder app. Users can also make payments effortlessly using Google Wallet and now have the ability to access Google Maps offline for their safe routes. The Pixel Watch 3 continues to build on the foundation laid by the Pixel Watch 2, offering the same essential health and fitness tracking tools and sensor technology. However, it takes a step further by introducing valuable running metrics such as stride length and oscillation, along with tailored workout guidance. Enhancements to the workout app include the ability to set specific fitness goals, receive real-time haptic feedback, and enjoy integrated music controls right from the workout screens. Additionally, the Fitbit Companion app now features a new running dashboard that provides insightful views of trends and performance. Among the exciting new metrics available on the Pixel Watch 3 are an enhanced readiness score, a cardio score to monitor exertion levels, and target load for establishing and achieving personalized activity objectives. These features aim to give users a more comprehensive understanding of their health and training. The Morning Brief, which displays a daily summary of key health statistics and upcoming weather, also aids users in preparing for their day. As always, Fitbit Premium members can unlock even more features, including AI-driven workout suggestions and exclusive content. In terms of battery performance, Google asserts that the Pixel Watch 3 can last up to 24 hours with the always-on display activated and can extend to 36 hours when using battery saver mode. Once the battery level drops to 15%, the watch will automatically switch to battery saver mode. Additionally, it includes a convenient automatic bedtime mode that disables notifications and the always-on display to help save battery life during sleep tracking. The Pixel Watch 3 utilizes the same charging cable as its predecessor, but Google claims that the 41mm model charges 20% faster than the earlier version. I'm excited to test these specifications and see how the new model stacks up against the Pixel Watch 2. The newly released Google Pixel Watch 3 is priced at $349, matching the launch price of its predecessor, the Pixel Watch 2. However, the latest model introduces an additional case size for an extra $50. Both the 41mm and 45mm versions are also offered as LTE options, which come with a $100 premium. This represents a notable increase compared to the Pixel Watch 2 LTE, which was only $50 more than the Wi-Fi-only version. Pre-orders for the Pixel Watch 3 started on August 13, with the official release set for September 10. The Pixel Watch 2, which debuted in October 2023, is currently available. With the arrival of the new generation, a price reduction for the older model seems likely. Additionally, every purchase of either the Pixel Watch 2 or Pixel Watch 3 includes a complimentary 6-month subscription to Fitbit Premium. Justifying the expense of replacing a relatively new device can be quite challenging, especially when it involves spending hundreds of dollars. The Pixel Watch 3 brings a host of feature enhancements and new functionalities, most of which are tied to software improvements. It's quite possible that the Pixel Watch 2 will receive an upgrade to Wear OS 5 later this year, allowing it to access many of these new features as well. However, the latest models do come with ultra-wideband connectivity, unlocking capabilities that the older version simply cannot support, paving the way for future advancements. Additionally, the improved displays in the new series, featuring slimmer bezels and more screen space, significantly enhance the overall user experience. Google claims that the Pixel Watch 3 also offers improved battery life and quicker charging times. For me, the standout reason to consider upgrading to the Pixel Watch 3 is the introduction of the larger 45mm size. This new option truly enhances the lineup, making it more appealing to a wider range of consumers. Moreover, the larger battery may lead to less frequent charging. Nevertheless, it's important to note that Google's wearable devices come with a hefty price tag, particularly the LTE versions of the Pixel Watch 3. If Wear OS isn't at the top of your list, don't worry. Google also offers the Fitbit Sense 2 and Versa 4. These smartwatches, under the Fitbit brand, provide a simplified experience while still featuring the popular wellness tracking tools that users love. Additionally, there's the Fitbit Ace LTE, a versatile device designed with engaging activity tracking capabilities and essential safety features for parents. Google's collection also includes the well-regarded Fitbit Charge 6, the budget-friendly Inspire 3, and the stylish Luxe. This means that Google's lineup of wearables is more diverse than ever, catering to a variety of price ranges. For years, Fitbit dominated the affordable tracker market, but since Google's acquisition and the introduction of Google-branded smartwatches, the selection of devices has evolved into a formidable array of choices. So, what are your thoughts on the latest Pixel Watch 3 from Google? Is it really a worthy upgrade compared to last generation Pixel Watch 2? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and for more updates do check out our channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.